In this video, I'll show you how to insert the peso sign in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, place the cursor and select where you want the peso sign to appear. I want it to go here. Then click Insert at the top of the ribbon, and then we're going to look for something called Symbol. Select this once. Then from here, we're going to select More Symbols. In this new window, we're going to now search for the peso sign. First, I'm going to click on Subset. Click the arrow, and then we're going to look for Currency Symbols. Select this once, and then from here, we're going to find and select the peso sign. For me, I can find it here. It's the P with the two lines through it. Once you've identified the peso sign, click Insert, and then click the cross. You will now notice that the peso sign has been inserted into your Word document. There's also a faster way to insert it. What I want you to do is type in 20B1. Then press Alt on your keyboard and X. And you'll have noticed that code has been changed into the peso sign. From here, all you need to do is simply copy and paste the sign wherever you want it to appear in your document. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you learn more about inserting symbols and special characters, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.